Hey beautiful people, it's your girl Capri back with another wig video. As y'all can see right here, this is from a company called Beauty4U. This is the pure natural wig, Remy Bohemian wig in the style wig Nicki in the color red brown. And I actually have like a lipstick color that matches this. This is Nicki K, I think, Irish coffee. Yeah, Nicki K Irish coffee, and it looks just like this color, so I was really happy about that. It's pretty much showing up correctly on the camera. Okay, so yeah, this is wig Nicki. It's very much so heat friendly, so for y'all who like to put a little heat in y'all wigs, it is definitely heat friendly. The ends of it is really nice. It's not human hair, so usually you don't get those splits and all that. And it has bangs again, y'all. I've been on this little bang kick for a little minute. What we're going to do right now, we're just going to take our razor comb, and let me get a regular comb too, so get the exact spot that I want. You see how right here it drops down like a little bit just in this one little spot? I want that. I want more of that, so it's not like this super dramatic like here then like super long. So take this, I think I'll start from right where that is. Okay, I'm back. So I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, there's little, like a little slant going down both sides like that, and it's kind of like framing the face a little more than it was, but that's okay. So far I really like the wig. The texture is really nice. I can run my fingers through it. I have like a rat tail comb, and I can go through it really easily with this, so I'm not getting any tangles. I'm not getting much shedding at all. And I was going through the hair, so I have a little bit because of like razor combing it, but not much shedding at all, no tangles, as y'all can see. It does not have any combs in the wig at all whatsoever. It does have adjustable straps though, so you're not gonna get any combs. It lays really nice and flat to your head. I actually have a twist out under here, and it's fitting really, really nice. Sometimes I have like a whole hairstyle underneath my wigs, like nice and moisturized, you know, styles under here. So yeah, let me see if I can scoop back some and show you the length. If not, I'll just like get up on my bed so that y'all can see. Okay, I'll just get up on my bed. Okay, so yeah, excuse my pajama pants, but yeah, this is as long as it is. It comes about waist, a little bit past my waist, and I'm 5'2". So let's see what styles we can do with this really quick. So I just got some rubber bands. With bangs, I always tend to like a half up, half down style, so we're gonna try that right now. Like half up, half down type style, and it's really, really cute. So yeah, if I were doing this like for real, and I had like a mirror in front of me and things like that, I would definitely add more hair into it. I think it's really cute, and I love the color. The color is really different. I've never had a red brown colored wig before, so yeah, this is different, and I really, really like the color. The tracks are actually on here pretty like thin, like they're not double. You know how some wigs are made like double wefted? These are single wefted tracks. But yeah guys, let me know what you guys think about, oh, I as my rubber band pops. Once again, this is Miss Wig, Nicki from Pure Naturals. Got her from Beauty4U.com. I will leave the link to it down below if you guys are interested in it. I don't know, I still like a 50-50 with bangs on my face. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. Comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.